Not a cloud in the sky. It's an absolutely wonderful day. We started out mild with some wind, so it may have even felt a little chilly this morning, but warming up quite nicely, quickly as well. The fog that we did have out there this morning was pretty thick at times, but it didn't take long to lift and clear because of how warm temperatures have been getting and in a hurry. We're already in the upper 70s for most of the bluegrass. We've got a few low 80s out there like Frankfort and Louisville, Campbellsville, Springfield, all at 81. Where we have had some cloud coverage early this morning or higher terrain, you're in the mid 70s or even the upper 70s, but not quite that sticky to uncomfortable feel. It's more kind of between the comfortable and sticky. So it's introducing a little bit more moisture to the region, but not quite getting the full blown, really just tropical air. That's not the case at all. Showers and storms with a front that is trying to get to us, but it's going to be pretty unsuccessful throughout the afternoon and evening because of all the dry air in place over us, but also the high pressure is going to shred this thing apart. So don't have to worry about it, although they're bringing quite a bit of thunderstorm activity to portions of Ohio and now Pennsylvania. Also, you can see the snow that's starting to fall in the higher terrain of the Rockies. But as this swath of moisture gets down towards Wyoming, Colorado, and even portions of New Mexico, there will be some low elevation spots that see quite a bit of snow from that system. So that's going to be a pretty big deal to watch as that low dives south. The cold front that's over us will practically stall out, and once it does, it keeps us in the sunshine, keeps everybody north, like the Great Lakes, in the cloud coverage, in the humid air, but also the showers and thunderstorms that will hang out as well. That cold front, by the way, that's bringing snow all the way through the Rockies is going to penetrate into Texas and bring in very unseasonably cool air to areas out that way. Also checking in on the tropics because they are firing up still, and we do have a couple of tropical systems out there. Our newest tropical storm that's named Paulette, that's the one out there on the left, and then Tropical Depression 18, which would become Rene, is likely to become Rene within the next 24 hours. Also moving out towards the west. But the only one that we actually have a track for right now is Paulette, and it's really just expected to stay a storm until it gets somewhere in this general vicinity, somewhere south of Bermuda, likely to become something, maybe a low-end hurricane before it makes a push off towards the north and the east. Really, it just depends on where the high pressure sits. But that's still about a week away. Let's talk about what's happening here for the next week, and it's going to be wonderful. Really, just sunshine, warmth, temperatures back up near 90. That's going to be hot, but at least it's not tropical humidity. It'll just be slightly uncomfortable, but regardless, still nice to be outdoors. Not really seeing any rain until we get to the end of the weekend upcoming. That's going to be a front that stalls over us. It will take those temperatures down, but bring rain to us as early as Sunday.